Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Focus on Science. Today's topic is pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is a measure of the effectiveness of a force. It takes into account the force and the area over which it acts. Let's take an example. Suppose I am holding a sharpened pencil between the index fingers of both my hands and I press it from both the sides. On which finger does the pencil leave a deeper mark? Answer is very clear. I will have a deeper mark on the finger which is in contact with the sharpened end of the pencil. This means that the effect of force is more by the sharpened end than by the flat end of the pencil. So, we can say that if the area over which the force acts decreases, the pressure increases. And if the force applied on an area increases, the pressure increases. Definition of pressure. Pressure is force per unit area applied to an object in a direction perpendicular to the surface of the object. In simple language, we can say that the force acting on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. Formula of pressure: P is equal to F upon A, where P is pressure, F is force, and A is area on which the force is acting. Unit of pressure. Unit of pressure in SI system is Newton per meter square. It is also known as Pascal, which is denoted as capital P and small a. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Some example numericals. First is, a solid body weighing 30 Newton is placed on a table. The area of contact is 60 cm square. Find the pressure exerted by the solid on the table. Now first we will write what is given. Force, that is capital F, is 30 Newton. Area is 60 cm square, which we have to convert in meter square. 60 divided by 10,000, that is 3 upon 500 meter square. Now pressure is F upon A, that is 30 divided by 3 upon 500. P is equal to 30 into 500 divided by 3, that is 5000 Pascal. Thus, the pressure exerted by the solid on the table is 5000 Pascal. Second, a cuboidal box of base measurement 60 cm into 50 cm is kept on the floor. The mass of the box is 300 kg. Find the pressure exerted by the box on the floor. Mass is 300 kg. So F is equal to 300 kgf is equal to 300 into 10, that is 3000 Newton, because 1 kgf is equal to 10 Newton. Area is 60 into 50, that is 3000 centimeter square. Now we will convert in meter square. 3000 centimeter square divided by 10,000 is equal to 3 upon 10 meter square. P is equal to F upon A, that is 3000 divided by 3 upon 10. 3000 into 10 divided by 3, that is 10,000 Pascal. Thus the pressure exerted by the box on the floor is 10,000 Pascal. Some examples of pressure. All cutting and piercing tools, for example knives, scissors, needles, blades, etc., have sharp edges to reduce the area of contact, so they can exert greater pressure with less force. School bags and shopping bags have broad belts as handles to reduce pressure on the hand. Narrow straps cause pain because the weight of the bag acts on a small area and this increases the pressure. It is easier to pierce a piece of cardboard with a thumb pin if the pin has a sharp tip. The area of contact is smaller and the pressure exerted is more for a sharp tip than it is for a blunt tip. War tanks move on broad chains called caterpillar tracks, which covers the wheels. It increases the area of contact with the ground and reduces the pressure on the ground. Because of this, the tanks can move on soft, wet ground without sinking. The walls of dams are made wider near their foundations so that they can withstand the pressure of water. Now one is practice numerical. A brick weighing 60 Newton having dimensions of 30 cm into 20 cm into 10 cm is kept on a table with its 3 different sides. One by one, calculate the pressure exerted in each of the 3 cases. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.